Greetings of the day. I'm Dr. Raghu Mohan Reddy, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. The course is Computer Aided Engineering. The topic is Introduction to Automatic NC Part Programming Generation from CAD Models using standard CAD/CAM software for machining of surfaces. Lecture number 50. Right. Introduction. Modern manufacturing requires high precision and productivity. Complex surface components are difficult to program manually. CAD/CAM software automates NC program generation. Automatic programming reduces errors and machining time. Widely used in aerospace, automotive, and mold industries. Okay, so this is about NC part programming generation. Okay, what is NC part programming? NC stands for Numerical Control. Okay, NC programming is the process of creating machining instructions. Okay, instructions guide tool movements and machining operations. Okay, program contain G codes and M codes. G means preparatory codes, M means miscellaneous codes. Traditionally performed manually. Okay, traditionally this was performed manually. Okay, modern systems generate programs automatically. Okay, so usually we have to return the programs for the manufacturing, but however, we are generate programs automatically. Okay, in the modern era. Okay, need for automatic NC program generation, increasing complexity of products, demand for shorter manufacturing cycles, requirement for higher accuracy, reduction of programming effort, improved productivity and consistency. Okay. Right. Introduction to CAD systems. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Use it to create engineering drawings and 3D models. Okay. Enables accurate geometric representation. Enables accurate geometric representation. Supports design modifications. Okay. Forms the foundation for CAM operations. Forms the foundations for CAM operations. This is about the CAD. Right. Introduction to CAM systems. CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. Okay, this converts CAD models into machining instructions. Okay, generates tool paths automatically. Okay, simulates machining operations. Produces NC programs for CNC machines. Okay, so this is about the CAM. Right, now CAD/CAM integration. Direct link between design and manufacturing. Okay, direct link between design and manufacturing. Eliminates repeated data entry. Improves information flow. Supports concurrent engineering. Reduces production lead time. Okay, so this is about CAD/CAM integration. Right. Surface modeling concepts. Surface models represent outer geometry. Okay, surface models represent outer geometry suitable for complex shapes. Used for freeform and sculptured surfaces. Used for freeform and sculptured surfaces. Essential for advanced manufacturing. Essential for advanced manufacturing. Common in automotive body design. So this is about surface modeling. Next, types of surface models. Okay, our main context is surface modeling. Okay, generation of surfaces. Okay, NC part programming generation for surfaces. Okay, now ruled surfaces, tabulated surfaces, revolved surfaces, Bezier surfaces, B-spline surfaces, and nub surfaces. Nub surfaces means non-uniform rational B-spline surfaces. Okay, so these are the different types of surface models available in the present CAD systems. Okay, CAD model preparation. Create accurate 3D geometry. Create accurate 3D geometry. Verify dimensions and tolerances. Okay, not only creating the geometry but also it should verify the dimensions and tolerances of the drawings. Okay. Repair gaps and discontinuities. Repair gaps and discontinuities. Check surface quality. Prepare model for CAM processing. Okay. For CAM processing, it has to prepare a model. Okay. Right. Data transfer from CAD to CAM. Data transfer from CAD to CAM. CAD geometry imported into CAM software. CAD geometry imported into CAM software. Okay. Standard formats include IGES, STEP, Parasolid, DXL. Okay. So Parasolid is the important standard format. Okay. Right. Maintains model accuracy. Okay. Right. CAM environment setup. Define machine tool. Select coordinate system. Define stock material. Set machining parameters. Configure manufacturing environment. Okay. So CAM environment setup includes machine tool, coordinate system, stock material and machining parameters, and manufacturing environment. Okay, so we have to configure the manufacturing environment at the end. Okay, before that we have to set the machining parameters. Okay, we have to define the stock material before that. We have to select the exact coordinate system. Okay, we have to identify the exact machine tool. That is the definition of the machine tool. Okay. Right. Feature recognition. Identification of machining features. Surface regions recognized automatically. Pockets, slots, and contours detected. Reduces programming effort. Improves automation. Okay. So this is about the feature recognition. Identification of machining features. Surface regions recognized automatically. Okay. So if there is any cylindrical surface, then it has to identify. If there is any small grooved surface, that it has to be identified. Okay. So pockets, slots, contours should be detected, and reduce programming effort improves automation. Next, selection of cutting tools. End mills, ball nose cutters, bull nose cutters, face mills. Okay, specialized surface machining tools. Okay, and selection factors include surface geometry, material type, and surface finish requirements. Okay, so selection of cutting tools includes end mills, ball nose cutters, bull nose cutters, and face mills. Okay, so specialized surface machining tools also included. Okay, selection factors include surface geometry, material type, and surface finish requirements. Okay, right. Machining parameters: cutting speed, feed rate, depth of cut, spindle speed. Okay, step over distance. Okay, what is the importance of this? Okay, surface quality, tool life, productivity. Okay, so machining parameters include speed, feed, depth of cut, and spindle speed. Okay, cutting speed and spindle speed both. Okay, right. Tool path generation concepts. Tool path defines cutter movement generated automatically by CAM software based on geometry and machining strategy, critical for machining accuracy. Okay, tool path generation concepts include tool path definition, that is cutter movement generated automatically by CAM software. So based on geometry and machining strategy, and critical for machining accuracy. Okay, right. Troughing tool paths. Okay, remove bulk material. Troughing, that means that indicates removing the bulk material, huge volumes of material. Okay, high material removal rate occurs of this. Okay, minimizing machining time. Prepare for finishing operations. Okay, so before finishing, we have to remove the bulk volume of material. Okay, so that it will be the preparation for finishing operations. Next, semi-finishing tool paths. Refine surface geometry, reduce remaining material, improve dimensional accuracy, prepare for final finishing. Okay, right. Finishing tool paths. Achieve final surface profile, improve surface finish, maintain dimensional accuracy, critical for mold and die manufacturing. Okay, so finishing tool paths should not have bulk volume material removal. Okay, achieve final surface profile, improve surface finish. Here, removal of material will be in terms of very less. That is in terms of microns. Okay. Next, surface machining strategies: parallel machining, zigzag machining, spiral machining, radial machining, and contour machining. Okay, so these are the surface machining strategies. Okay, parallel machining, zigzag machining, spiral machining, radial machining, and contour machining. Machining simulation: virtual verification of machining process, detect programming errors, visualize material removal, improve process reliability. Okay, so this is about machining simulation, virtual verification of machining process, detect programming errors, visualize material removal, improve process reliability. Next, collision and gouge detection: detect tool collisions, prevent machine damage, avoid surface gouging, improve machine safety. Okay, so obviously, if we are write the program perfectly, then there will not be any issue. But if there is any issue, definitely the tools may be collide with each other, and it may lead to damage the machine. Okay, so prevent machine damage is very important. Okay, so it avoids surface gouging and improve machining safety. Right, post processing converts CAM output into CNC code. Converts CAM output into CNC code. Machine specific program generation. Machine specific program generation. That means for different machines, program generation would be different. Okay, with little variation, almost all programs are same, but based on the specific machines, the specific program generation would occur. Okay, it supports different CNC controllers. Okay, it supports different CNC controllers. Produces executable NC programs. Produces executable NC programs. Next, NC program generation. Okay, NC program generation output includes G codes, that means preparatory codes like G00, G01, G02, okay, like that. And M codes includes M02, M03, M30. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, G0 means rapid traversing. This is for linear interpolation. Okay, so this is for circular interpolation clockwise. This is circular interpolation for anti-clockwise. Okay, so similarly for spindle speeds and spindle clockwise direction, spindle anti-clockwise direction, and machine control unit stop. Okay, next one, tool information. That means whether it is tool 1 is in operation or tool 2 in operation. Okay, and coordinate data. Okay, right, whether it is absolute system or relative system, and where is the tool with reference to some point. Okay, and machining instructions. Okay, what are the benefits? Faster programming, reduced errors. Okay, next, industrial applications: aerospace, automotive, molded die industry. Okay, let us see in aerospace. Turbine blades, aircraft structural parts. Okay, again in automotive, body panels, engine components. Okay, in automotive, body panels and engine components. In mold and die industry, injection molds, press dies. Injection molds, press dies. Okay, right. These are the industrial applications in aerospace, automotive, and mold and die industry. Right. Advantages of automatic NC programming: reduced programming time. Okay, so it reduces the programming time significantly. Why? Because we need not write the program. Okay. Next, improved accuracy. So obviously, there is a chance to make errors when the human is writing the program. So we are generating the program from the CAD models. Okay, so obviously we get the good accuracy. Okay, better surface quality, So if the program is a very accurate one, definitely surface quality would be better. Reduced human errors, already we have discussed, because there is no chance of human error in this, because we are generating the program itself by CAD CAM inputs. Okay, increased productivity, faster product development. Okay, summary: CAD models serve as the basis for automatic NC programming. Okay, so CAD model is the input for the generation of automatic programming. Okay, CAM software generates optimized tool paths. Okay, CAM software generates optimized tool paths. Okay, there are different tool paths, but CAM software optimizes these tool paths. Simulation ensures program correctness. Okay, so before we take it into consideration of the real manufacturing, we have to simulate. Post process create machine ready NC code. Okay, post process create machine ready NC code. Automatic programming is essential for machining complex surfaces in modern manufacturing industries. Okay, I'm concluding.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.